Wanna learn how to turn on invisible mode on an OK Apps account so that others may not know that you have just visited their profile? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on Guest next to Events. You can see that here is an invisible mode on the top, and just below it you can read that you will become invisible to others and they will not see that you have visited them. So if you want to enable it, tap on the sliding icon on the right corner, and just by doing it you can see that has just been changed from gray to orange, and now you can see that you have a special offer. That is, you'll become invisible to others and they will not see that you visited them, and you can buy it for 30 days, for 3 days, for 2 days, or even you can try it for free. You can tap on enable if you want to. You can see that you need to buy it. Tap on buy. Now you need to enter your credit or debit card. Tap on credit or debit card and enter your card number and then make the required payment. After that, you will be an official member of OK Apps and you can easily enable this invisible mode, or either you can try it for free. Tap and try it for free. For that too, you need to enter your credit or debit card. You shouldn't make any of the payment, so make sure to go there and keep your card number. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.